It's Trevor with E-commerce Paradise, and in today's video I'm going to review TrustGuard. TrustGuard is a piece of software that you can install on your website that will give your website more credibility. It will make your consumer trust you more. It will also give credibility to your business. It will make it more obvious that your website is a real website, and it will also show the consumer that you offer PCI compliance, which is really key in today's e-commerce world because there's a lot of websites out there that are phishing websites, that are scam websites and fraud websites. TrustGuard only approves real websites with real business addresses and phone numbers that can be reached and email addresses, so people know when they land on your website that you're a trustworthy website. I highly recommend them. I use them myself on my own website, ecommerceparadise.com, and my own high-ticket dropshipping stores. You can get signed up with them today by clicking the link in the description below at ecommerceparadise.com/trustguard. Now I'm going to show you how that sign up process looks right now, and then we're going to get into the dashboard where I'm going to show you the back end of TrustGuard and what it looks like to set up on your website. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like on my website, and you can choose whether or not it's right for you. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so here we are in the TrustGuard sign up website, and this is what you'll find when you go to ecommerceparadise.com/trustguard. Again, the link is below in the description. So again, the shoppers want to know why they can trust you, or if they can trust you. Okay, and these are some questions they're asking. Is this a real business? Okay, because there are websites out there, and I've encountered them and been scammed by websites in the past before that are fake e-commerce websites. They're websites that often will actually advertise through things like Craigslist and stuff like that on their products. They'll advertise products that are normally very expensive for about 1/10 of the price or less. And they reel people in, they get them all excited, they think, oh man, I could buy a bunch of these and resell them and make a lot of money or something like that, or just get a really cheap camera that I've always wanted, or a tablet or whatever. And they don't realize that it's not a real business. It's a scammer, usually based in somewhere like China or something like that. And you buy the product on their website, and they ask for payment through something like MoneyGram or some sort of direct cash delivery system, and or like a wire transfer or something like that. And of course, it's a scam because as soon as you send the money to them, they keep the money. They don't ever deliver the product. So people want to know that they're not on one of these fake scam e-commerce websites. The e-commerce world is kind of like still the Wild West, and these websites can exist, and they're really hard to get banned and taken down by the website domain authorities and stuff like that. So that being said, customers are also wondering if your website is secure, because if they're going to enter their private information, their name, address, email address, especially their banking account information, their credit card, they want to make sure that they're not getting scammed and you're not going to steal their identity. Okay, so that's another thing that they're wondering. And the other thing is, you're going to protect their privacy or not? Okay, because again, your identity can be stolen online, and your privacy is really important. So the thing that TrustGuard does really well is that they actually provide a service to the consumer by providing a badge that the consumer can click on, and it opens up a window and it says exactly what the business's address is, their phone number, and their email address, how long they've been a member, and that they've actually scanned the website recently, and then it's passed a test. So when consumers see that, they're going to feel very confident, and they're much more likely to buy from you, okay, than if you don't. And that's why I like TrustGuard. So in order to sign up for TrustGuard, you just click on their Order Now button. It's a really simple process. You'll get an option for a basic package that is weekly, and then you have the option to upgrade to daily, which costs more. And you also have the option to do monthly, quarterly, and quarterly IP scanning with no seal. But I recommend something like at least quarterly to start off with, because you really do want to have a date that's close to what the current date is, so that it doesn't look too outdated. And if you can afford it, if your business is making enough revenue, I would definitely go for a weekly or even daily scan, just so that when people click the button, they're going to see the date of the scan, so that you want to see it as recent as possible. So I would say it's really good to go for this. And if you know you're going to have it for a long time, you can upgrade to the yearly, or later on you can do that too. The other things that I recommend doing are getting their privacy safe and business verified seals, because and these are very good seals to have on your website. Trustee is the old version. Used to be a used to be a seal that was available, and people like the word trust, and it's on your website. So this is really good to have like a privacy safe seal, and it's only an extra $29 a month. So it's really, really good. And then this one's a lot like the BBB seal. It's blue, it says business verified. People want to know if you're a real business. If something happens, like they actually have someone they can talk to. Okay, so add it all to cart, and they'll even give you a multi-seal discount, negative $18 a month. So total for the 3 seals for weekly scans, it's $107 a month. For monthly scans, it's only $97 a month. For quarterly scans, so you can get started for as low as $77 a month or $7.99 a year, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, but if you can afford it, I'd definitely go for the weekly. So click start now, enter your billing information, enter your credit card info, and complete your order. And you even get a free 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't make more sales, you can send them that info, and they'll just go ahead and give you a refund. So they're very confident they're going to increase their conversion rate, and I'm confident as well because I'm using them on my websites and they work really well. People do buy more, so I highly recommend using them. Go ahead and get started. I'm going to then log into my dashboard so you can kind of see what it looks like, and then I'm going to take you to my website and show you what it looks like on the front end. So let's get in there. All right, this is what the dashboard looks like for TrustGuard. So when you get in there, you'll see that you'll have the basic, and basic is your verification seal. Okay, you'll be able to, the customer will be able to see your support email address, your support phone, and your support address. That's where you enter that information. And when you get set up, you're going to be verifying each of these things. You're going to be able to do your business as well. Okay, this is for the business verification seal. And your privacy verification seal is right here. And optionally, you also have a security seal. Okay, so there's a malware scan, security verification, and then there's the security seal code, which you can add to your website. So it looks like this. So each of these has the seal codes. Privacy seal code looks like this. Business looks like this. Basic. Okay, and that's just your basic verification. And all your billing information is under the account. So now that I've shown you that, let me show you my website and what it looks like. All right, cool. So here we go. At the top, you can see I have TrustGuard right here. And at the bottom, you can see that I have TrustGuard here. And I also have each of the seals right here. So this is what it looks like. Okay, and today I'm doing this video. It's the 3rd, and the date shows the 3rd. If I click on any one of them, it'll come up. Security verified. Okay, it looks really official. All this stuff. Privacy verified. Even has a written thing of how they go about determining if it's legit, which is great. And here we go, TrustGuard. And since Shopper Improved and TrustGuard are actually owned by the same company, they even integrate the ratings and reviews within the business verification seal information here, which is really, really cool. Yeah, and if you're interested in Shopper Approved, which is a reviews rating system, again, they're owned by the same company. It's like a subsidiary of the same company. You can watch my Shopper Approved review. Just go here to reviews, and I'll have Shopper Approved under here as well. So that's what it looks like on the website, and on the product pages, I'll show you what it looks like right now. This is a product page on my agency website for my service called the Turnkey High-Ticket Dropshipping Business Package. And here's what the TrustGuard looks like right below the Buy Now button. So on your high-ticket dropshipping store, you can make it look the same. All right, and just if you're curious, this is actually using Shopify, and this is the Shoptimized theme, which I highly recommend. You can see my review for the Shoptimized theme and Shopify review there. Makes it really easy to start and scale e-commerce businesses. That's what I actually teach how to do in my high-ticket dropshipping masterclass. So yeah, there's that. So that's about it. That's what TrustGuard looks like on the front end. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed my review of TrustGuard and got a lot out of it. And I highly recommend using TrustGuard. So if you want to go ahead and get it set up today, go to the link below or type in ecommerceparadise.com/TrustGuard, which is my referral link. And I definitely appreciate your help. And I really want to help you to optimize your website for conversions. I have a ton of articles all over ecommerceparadise.com about conversion optimization. I also have a ton of videos and podcasts about it, so dig through my free content and optimize your business and scale and make more sales. So TrustGuard is just one piece of the puzzle, but I highly recommend using them because I use them and I get great results from it. So click the link below, sign up for TrustGuard today, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.